Guys. What? What happened? Do you hear that? Hear what? The noise. I don't hear anything. Except for my stomach. I'm hungry. Go eat. Eat then. No. Why not? 'Cause I'm in bed. Of course. Where else would you be? What is that supposed to mean? You're always sleeping. To be fair, it's late. Why aren't you in bed, soobin? Well, I would be. But not with this annoying noise coming from God knows where. I don't hear anything. What do you hear, soobin young? What does it sound like? It's like talking, but it sounds muffled. I checked the rooms next to me already, but there's no one there. Guess what? What? It's a ghost. Hehe. Wait. Ghosts? Are you fucking serious? tHe language. Sachoy bomb you. Has the statement you have made in your most recent digital message been a pleasantry, if I may ask so myself? I didn't mean that. soobin, I think the ghost got tHe, and why is he British? What does that have to do with British? Oh, you're back, he. Wait, I know this trick. You act like tHe, but you're actually really the ghost. Hush hush, go rush, be gone. So are we gonna ignore him or bomb do? What the hell? What? Who said ghosts exist? Who said they didn't? Don't join his side. Yes, join my side. We will fight the beast. See you besties. In delight of it being past midnight, I have decided to go to bed. Good night, clowns. You can't go to bed now, bitch, the noise is still here. No one cares about the fucking noise, just sleep. Wait guys, what do you want? Huninkai and Yornjan have been suspiciously quiet. Suspiciously. Yeah, that. I knew that. Did someone say my name, fellas? Yes. You. What? Anyways. Ning Ning soobin can't sleep 'cause there's a talking noise somewhere and he won't stop annoying us until we found it. Well, it ain't me. Where's your hola mamacitas? I heard my name has been chanted. Am I the only one? Who what? Who hates him? Oh, no lol. Hey, y'all evil clowns. Funny you say that. Anyways, who was it that has called for me? soobin. Oh. You're so obsessed with me. How can I delete? Delete what? You can't, I'm too powerful. Nuna, you realize that no one asked you to be here, right? Not the dwarf getting feisty. Young, I'm taller than you. I don't give a rat's behinds. Anyways, Yonjan, there's a hella annoying talking noise happening and I can't sleep 'cause it's bugging me. And before anyone asks, yes, Yonjan is more annoying. I know you love me. This ain't about us. Are you making the noise? No. What are you doing? I'm in bed, sleeping. Could I be texting here if I was asleep, you dumb bitch? I don't know. You also somehow managed to get into the New York Fashion Week, so anything is possible. Why are you laughing, child? 'Cause he complimented and insulted you at the same time as. This is not okay. Hashtag stop bullying Yonjan. Hashtag keep bullying Yonjan. Hashtag support bullying Yonjan. Normalize bullying Yonjan. Hashtag stop bullying Yonjan. Hashtag stop being mean to Yon. Hashtag stop Yonjan. Yellow crying face with tears streaming down. Is the noise still there? Yes. Oh. Ooh. What did you do? Never mind. It's coming from where my door is, next to my desk, somewhere in that area. Well, I'm in my room, without you. Shall I come? You. No, but you. Never mind. Every time I open the door to check, no one's there, but I still hear the noise. Maybe you're going insane. I have 4 children, and the youngest and most annoying one is a runway model now. Wait, what does that have to do with anything? I can't go insane. I'm a strong person. I'm used to rats pulling my last nerves. I've never seen you so cold, soobin young. Maybe. It is. 'Cause I'm tired and I can't sleep. Did you check everywhere in your room? Yes. Dumbus. Really everywhere? Yes. Even in the secret shelf under your desk. How do you know about that? Fuck. Run you runway model. Choi Yeonjun. That was private. I'm sorry. It was cute though. Shut up. Wait, what does he keep there? What's in the secret shelf? You don't wanna know. Don't tell anyone. I hate you. No you don't. You bet I do. No one searched for the shelf until I found a new secret spot. Fuck you Choi Yeonjun. Did Papi Yeonjun make Soobin mad? Yeonjun, this isn't the right time. To be fair. I found the shelf too. And it is cute. Kinda weird, but cute. Kai Kamal Huning. Go bestie SKSKSKS. Why do you know Huka? Yeonjun, did you tell him about it? No, he did. Huning Kai. Hey. Oh, this is funny. I'ma make some popcorn real quick. Can I come too? Yes. Yay. My first date with tHe. First, can we stop drifting away from the main issue please? I'm so tired. You can sleep in my no. I'd rather have gym class at this exact moment. Whoa, see, you're in denial. Fuck it, I'll sleep in the living room. No. Why not? 'Cause say it, maybe, I'm already there. But why? Because there's a ghost in my room. See, I told you guys that ghosts exist. Take that losers. I've had it with these children. Same. Including you Soobin. What did I ever do? You started this whole conversation. I'm sorry. Yellow crying face with tears streaming down. Or bunny is sad. Don't ever use that word again. Which one? Bunny. I can literally feel shivers all over my body. 'Cause you love it when I call you bunny. No. Ning Ning, I will come sleep with you. Make space. But Molungi is here. I'm more important. Never. I don't care, I'm coming now. A few seconds later. Well, haha. What? I found the noise. Was it a ghost? No dumbass. What was the noise? My laptop. It was half in my bag. And there was a show playing. Can you come anyways?